Hello everyone. Everest is known for its low pressure air solutions. We are the largest blower manufacturer in India and we offer various solutions in the low pressure air regime. Today we will like to introduce our blower based Airknife drying systems or blow off systems. Generally it is seen in the industry that for product drying or blow off applications people are using very highly expensive compressed air. The compressed air which is normally available in the industry is given at a pressure of say about 6 to 7 bar. Now the work done is basically a product of the pressure and the volume flow rate, that is PV. So when we use air at such high pressures, we are basically wasting a lot of energy because the conventional drying or blow off applications require pressures of just a few hundred millibars. Everest introduces the new high-speed centrifugal blower series, which have been specifically designed for the product drying or blow-off applications. The first product in the offering is our Phoenix series blowers. These are belt-driven blowers. They are high-speed centrifugal blowers which rotate at about 10,000 to 20,000 RPM. The drive is generally given through a two-pole electric motor, standard two-pole electric motor, and through the belt arrangement, the centrifugal blower is made to rotate at 10,000 to 20,000 RPM. These high speeds enable the centrifugal blowers to develop pressures which are enough for product drying applications and also at the same time give high volume flow rates. Since the net result is that you get the desired pressures and very high volume flow rates, you are able to do the process of product drying using very less or minimal power consumption, and the blowers are able to justify their cost, or the return on investment is typically between 6 months to less than a year. The second product in the offering is our direct driven blowers, which are known as the Challenger series blowers. These blowers have the impeller or the blower mounted directly on the motor shaft, and they also come with an inbuilt VFD. The VFD helps in varying the RPM, thereby varying the volume flow rates which come out of the blower in line with the application demand. These blowers are generally about 30 to 40% more efficient than the belt driven blowers, since we have very less transmission losses and the impellers are specifically designed and machined on a 3-axis or a 5-axis machine. So these are the two main product offerings from the house of Everest, which are commonly used for blower based Airknife drying or blow off applications. And we also have the conventional side channel blowers, which are generally used for applications requiring very low volume flow rates in product drying or blow off applications, say something like about 700 to 800 meter cube per hour. The blowers form one part of the blower Airknife drying system. The other part, which is equally important, is the accessories, which include the air knives, the hoses, the bends, the spiders and other equipments. So we have the complete equipment available with us in-house. These are all designed and engineered by Everest, and we have the capability to do complete product design or system design for your particular application. The typical accessories which are used in an Airknife drying system include the nozzles, which may be aluminium or a stainless steel nozzle. We also have spiders, which are used in typical bottle drying systems. Then we have special Conda effect Airknife nozzles, which have very high coefficient of performance, and this is what leads to the energy efficiency. And apart from this, we also have other small equipments or components such as the hoses, the dividers, the clamps, the bends and such typical nozzles which are used in conventional drying systems. So when you come to Everest, you can be assured that you get the complete solution. The solution will be designed for your particular application, and the complete scope will be arranged by or supplied by Everest. So call us or write to us letting us know your specific product drying challenges, and our team of trained application engineers would be glad to help you out make the most energy efficient and most effective Airknife drying system for you or your application. Thank you. Wish you all a great day.